Alright, so we're gonna do the coolant on this thing. So in order to do that, we have to remove this whole panel. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh yeah. Much more access. Okay, so what you're seeing is the radiator, bottom of the radiator right here. So we're going up there. And the coolant. Oh, jeez. The radiator itself is right up here, this whole thing. And then what we're going for is the drain. So hopefully we can light this up. There you go. So we're going for the drain, which is right up there. You can probably see it better than I can, but that's what we're going for, and he's right here. So I'm gonna go up there and reach in and grab it, and so you can see the end of it right here. Grab my fingers. I'm gonna put a hose on that. I'm gonna hose down into this here coolant tank. And then we're gonna take care of that with our coolant. God, I thought I was going to be on my face for a second. Alright, we're gonna put this thing back together. We tighten the joint. That's about the only reason we had this on. Put this back in there. Yep, I'll put this guy back out there. Alright people, so we're going to do this right here. This is called a vacuum assist, the cooling system filler. So we're going to use this guy, put a vacuum on this, fill it back up, fill the cooling system back up, cool it, and yeah, get this thing all buttoned up. There we go. A little finesse. Okay. So that basket is in place. Now what we're going to do is move this. Vacuum refiller. Yeah. Okay, so this adapts to that. So what we do is we put one end to that, one end into, okay. This end, that's what this is for. This is the exhaust, basically. Cool. This one leads on and off to coolant. This is your air on and off, and this turns the vacuum on to this, to the actual thing, to the cooling system. Alright. So we're going to let this wide open and let that pull up. And this looks stuck to heavy flat sometimes. So a good vacuum on the cooling system. We're going to hold that and both up. Now we're going to open this guy. It's going to start cooling in my tank. Except to make sure we don't run out. The coolant is job number one. Once we get low, if it still hasn't finished, you gotta turn it off. Yeah, see, look, we still got a bunch of vacuum, and this is pretty much empty. You probably have to do it a couple of times. Here we got a little tiny bit of air, but not much. Pulling that out. Used it, pulling coolant in. It's thirsty. We're going to hit 0, and we should be full. And there you go. I'm just going to disconnect this guy. Don't him anymore. And then you can block that, because otherwise it will spill everywhere. You can open that and shut it now. Open that, shut it now. Otherwise, yeah, you're all done. And so, you're gonna take this off, and when you lift this up, be careful because it's gonna make a mess. And then you're gonna let this dump back into that when you lift it up in the air.